I made it to Murtaugh High School, that gray morning, drenched in anxiety. My pupils were slashed by the cold but kind drizzle. Tears were heaven's drops. The dark sky mourned. Angels wept softly, and God cried through my eyes. I remember very well the date, the day, the hour. In the year 2020, it was the 11th of February, Tuesday, 10:30 a.m., punctually, in Murtaugh, performing my southern duty. Hunger, death, plague, and wild beasts. They were visible on the cloudy horizon, monsters threatening to destroy the earth. It was the pandemic year, and a rare horseman joined the apocalyptic herd. As coronavirus, he was baptized between masks and uncertainty. I developed my presentation about the college assistant migrant program, a little early to anticipate anything, a pity too late to prevent the inevitable. The school doors closed behind me. Walking toward my car, something incredible happened. A cardinal landed in front of my eyes in the car, elegant, towering, white chest, red crest, with orange seed-colored legs. Spring? The drizzle abated and decreased until it died. Rainbows were born between the ridged teeth. Multicolored hope was planted in my heart by the sun.